Hey everyone, so in this video, I will be covering the best and most medically focused frozen meal delivery service available right now, BistroMD. And the reason I wanted to do a full review on this is because it's not just another healthy eating plan or low-calorie meal kit. BistroMD was built from the ground up to address what's often the real reason weight loss doesn't work long-term: how your body stores fat, handles blood sugar, and reacts to hunger, especially when those systems get out of sync. So I'm going to walk you through how the meals are structured to support that, the types of programs they offer for different conditions like insulin resistance or menopause. Of course, we'll see how the actual food tastes and holds up day to day, and what kind of pricing you'll be looking at if you're considering signing up. And by the end, you'll have a much better sense of whether it's the kind of system that fits the way you want to live and the way you want to eat. So let's get on into it. So one of the biggest things that sets BistroMD apart is that it doesn't treat weight gain or slow weight loss like a willpower issue. Because for a lot of people, especially over time, the body just starts working against you. Blood sugar swings, stubborn fat that won't come off, feeling hungry all the time. These aren't just side effects. They're usually signs that something actually deeper is going on with your metabolism. And a lot of that comes back to insulin resistance. That's when your body stops responding properly to insulin, which can lead to higher blood sugar, more fat storage, and stronger hunger signals, even if you've already eaten. And it's not just some fringe diagnosis, okay? Around 60% of overweight adults show signs of advanced insulin resistance. So rather than just cutting calories, BistroMD focuses on fixing the biology behind it, using meals that are structured to support real metabolic change. What's nice is every BistroMD meal follows the same basic structure, right? Around 40% protein, 30% carbs, and 30% healthy fats. And that breakdown actually does a lot more than just keeping the calories in check. The higher protein helps you feel full for longer. It supports your metabolism and makes it easier to hold on to muscle as you lose weight. The carbs are slower digesting, so they keep your blood sugar steady throughout the day. And the fats come from healthier sources that support hormone balance and help reduce inflammation. But what's amazing is this isn't just gerbil food, okay? You're getting 3 full meals a day plus snacks. For women, that adds up to around 1,200 calories. For men, it's closer to 1,400. But it's enough food to feel satisfied, but still designed to create a calorie deficit without having to weigh everything out or track every single bite. Plus, this is not just a meal service with a few low-calorie plans. They've actually built out full programs for different medical and hormonal needs. So if you're dealing with blood sugar issues, there's a diabetic plan that keeps net carbs under 25 grams per meal. For heart health, there's a version that limits sodium and saturated fat. And if you're trying to cut back on sugar without going full keto, their keto-flex plan gives you more flexibility while still keeping carbs low. There's a full menopause program designed to support insulin balance during hormonal shifts. And if you're in recovery from pregnancy, the postpartum plan adds calories, protein, and nutrients to help with healing and breastfeeding. They've also got a 100% plant-based vegan option, as well as a gluten-free plan that meets FDA standards for celiac safety. So even if you've got more specific dietary needs, you're not stuck making trade-offs or doing workarounds. The point is, this isn't a one-size-fits-all system. These are real programs built to match what your body is dealing with. And that's a big part of why this actually works for people. Now, if you're already thinking this might be a good fit, you'll find an affiliate link down in the description. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but we might earn a small commission if you use it, and sometimes there are better deals there than you'd find on their main site. So check that one out if you're interested. So if you're using some serious weight loss medications, you know, the GLP-1s, Ozempic, Wegovy, Mounjaro, right? There's actually a version of BistroMD that's built specifically for that because, while the drugs are powerful, they can come with some serious side effects. Nausea, slower digestion, muscle loss, it all can creep in, especially if your meals aren't built to support what your body is going through. So this version will bump the protein up to 25 to 30 grams per meal and add fiber and healthy fat in the right balance. That helps with digestion, keeps your energy up, and gives your body what it needs to preserve muscle during weight loss. Even here, though, the meals don't feel restrictive, right? You're still getting plenty of variety: barbecue pork with broccoli, Tuscan chicken, salmon with pesto, and it's all built for people using these meds. And right now, this is one of the only services out there that's actually designed to handle the nutritional side of GLP-1s the right way. Now, the food itself, actually one of the biggest surprises here, because even though it's frozen, it doesn't feel like a TV dinner from the supermarket. included. All the meals are fully cooked, flash frozen, and ready to heat. But when you eat them, they've got the texture and flavor of something closer to a freshly made plate. It's not soggy, it's not bland, and it's definitely not packed with fillers. They stripped out over 100 ingredients that you normally find in processed frozen meals. You know, artificial dyes, MSG, aspartame, synthetic additives, you know the type. And they focused on cleaner sourcing as well. There's no added hormones in the meat, no antibiotics, seafood that's responsibly caught. Even the produce is mostly sourced from smaller family-run farms. And the recipes aren't just lighter, they're completely reworked to support your body. So instead of breadcrumbs with the meatloaf, it's quinoa and carrots. Cheese sauces get swapped out for things like butternut squash. So you still get the flavor, but with less dairy fat and more nutrients. And everything comes in trays that you can microwave or oven heat, and it'll stay good frozen for up to an entire year. And for a fully structured, doctor-focused meal plan like this that covers your entire day, the pricing here actually lines up pretty well with what you're getting. The full 7-day plan gives you 20 meals plus one flexible My Night that just lets you take a break and eat out or cook at home. That one runs at $220 total, or around $11 per meal. If you rather do it for 5 days, that's 15 meals for $190, or a bit under $13 a meal. They've also got lighter plans, you know, with just lunch and dinner. There's a 7-day version that's $190, and the 5-day is $150. And shipping will be $20 across the board. And if it's your first week, they usually have an offer for 40 to 50% off with free shipping included. There's also a snack add-on. It's called Eats, and it's just built to keep hunger down between meals. Those will run you around $250 each. And when you actually step back and look at what's here, not just the meals, but the structure, the medical support, how hands-off it really is, BistroMD is kind of in its own category because most meal services are built around convenience first. Yeah, they'll promise you fresh food, good macros, clean ingredients, all that stuff, but once you're past the surface, they're really just healthier versions of regular meals. They're not built for people dealing with diabetes, insulin resistance, metabolic issues. And they're definitely not designed for recovery after things like pregnancy or weight loss medication. That's where BistroMD really fits. It's built for people who need that structure, but don't want to think about it, you know, every second of every day. And with their main competitor, Diet to Go, shutting down, it's really the last frozen service out there that's still offering those medically supported plans. Not apps, not lifestyle advice, proper meals, already done, already portioned, already aligned with what your body actually needs. If you've been in that cycle of just trying to eat better and then watching it all fall apart by week 2, this is the thing that'll actually help it stick. And if you want to check out the food for yourself, you can use that link down below to get the absolute best deal. Also, if you're interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, you can just reach out using the email down in the description below. If you found this helpful, I'd always appreciate a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more videos just like this. And if you got any questions at all, feel free to drop those in the comments. I try to answer as many as I can. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.